All right, so have you ever pictured yourself in a job where you're like the key to someone getting a job, where
Hmm.
they're entrusted with other people's lives every single day?
Oh, wow. That's,
It's a big responsibility.
yeah, big responsibility, huge responsibility.
We're diving into the world of occupational driving instructors today.
Absolutely.
And trust me, it is way more than just parallel parking and those little traffic cones.
Yeah, you hit the nail on the head.
Right.
This isn't just about teaching someone to, like, pass a driving test. It's about equipping them for a whole career
Yeah,
that's constantly evolving. I
absolutely.
mean, think about it for a second. Safety
It's
regulation.
all constantly changing.
They're always changing. AI driver assistance systems are becoming more common, and let's not forget the rise of electric vehicles.
Absolutely. And all of that stuff is impacting the people who are driving these vehicles for a living.
Exactly.
So
It changes.
what does all this change mean for someone considering this as a career, though?
So it means that the bar is higher than ever. For instructors, they need to be adaptable,
Mm,
they need to be knowledgeable, and they need to be able to train drivers for the road ahead,
yeah.
not just the road as we know it today.
Yeah.
That's where these RoleCatcher resources really come in.
Okay.
They provide like a really interesting roadmap
Okay.
for anyone who's interested in this kind of career path.
So a roadmap, you say. So we're
Mhm.
talking like a clear progression
Yeah,
from newbie
totally.
to seasoned instructor.
Absolutely. RoleCatcher lays this journey out in stages.
Okay.
You start out as a trainee,
Okay.
then you move to junior instructor,
Mm-hmm.
then intermediate,
Okay.
and then finally the senior occupational driving instructor.
It sounds pretty standard so far,
Right.
but I'm guessing each step, it involves more than just adding like another year on your resume or something. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right on the money.
Okay.
RoleCatcher really emphasizes how your responsibilities and your impact on the field grows at each level.
Okay.
For instance,
Yep.
as a trainee. It's about observation and assisting. So think of it like an apprenticeship.
Okay.
You're learning by watching these seasoned instructors. You're helping out with vehicle maintenance, really getting a feel for the day-to-day.
So you're building a really solid foundation before you're even getting behind the wheel as the instructor. That makes sense.
Exactly.
But at some point, you do have to teach.
Yes.
Right.
That's where the junior instructor stage comes in.
Right.
This is where you start conducting lessons. You start evaluating students. And this is where RoleCatcher really emphasizes something that I find really important: the need for excellent customer service skills.
Hold on. Customer service.
Yeah.
I get it if you're like driving a taxi or something.
Yeah.
But like, even when you're teaching someone how to handle a forklift, you need top-notch people skills.
Think about it. A lot of occupational driving, it involves interacting with people,
That's true.
sometimes in really stressful situations.
Yeah.
Delivery drivers,
Yeah.
bus drivers, even those folks who are operating all those ride-sharing services these days.
Yeah, that's true.
Being a good communicator, knowing how to de-escalate a tense situation,
Yeah.
that's incredibly valuable, no
Yeah.
matter what you're driving.
Yeah, no, that's true. I'm seeing how that ties into career advancement as well.
For sure.
You're not just teaching someone to drive.
Yeah,
You're preparing them to be a professional
exactly.
on the road
Yes,
and dealing with all the stuff that entails.
precisely.
Okay.
And these soft skills, as some might call them,
Yeah.
they can really set an instructor apart as
Yeah.
they climb the ranks.
Yeah.
But it's not just about being good with people. It's about taking ownership of your teaching, which is a key part of the next level, intermediate instructor.
Okay. So intermediate level, what does that look like according to RoleCatcher? Are we talking about full-on curriculum development at this point?
Not quite full-on curriculum development yet,
Okay.
but you're getting there
Okay.
at this stage. You're not just teaching, you're analyzing student performance.
Okay.
You're really getting into the nitty-gritty of their progress.
Yeah. So you're starting to problem solve a little bit more.
You're becoming a problem solver, too.
Okay.
You're figuring out how to help those students who might be struggling,
Yeah.
even suggesting ways to make the training program better as a whole.
Oh, wow.
You're a key player now, not just an instructor.
That's really interesting. So
Yeah.
you're saying by the time someone reaches that intermediate instructor level, they're not just like showing where the gas pedal is. You're really invested in their development as a driver. But where do we go from there? What does that view look like from the top of that career ladder?
Okay, so at the senior level, your influence, it expands significantly.
Okay.
You're not just responsible for your own students anymore.
Right.
You're mentoring less experienced instructors. You're shaping training protocols, even contributing to curriculum development.
Wow.
Think of it as like steering the entire ship, not just navigating a single vessel.
Wow, that's a powerful image. From hands-on teaching to, like, shaping industry standards. RoleCatcher paints a pretty compelling picture of this whole career path, but they don't just tell you about it.
Yeah,
There's something in here about, like, concrete steps to actually help you climb those ranks.
you're exactly right.
Okay.
RoleCatcher dives into what they call certification stacking.
Certification stacks.
And it's brilliant in its simplicity.
It sounds kind of like collecting badges in a video game, but for your professional life.
And that's a great way to think about it.
I'm into it.
It's about strategically acquiring additional certifications
Yeah.
that build on your core driving instructor qualification
Okay.
and demonstrating like a deeper level of expertise and commitment.
Okay, so it's not just about having the license to teach. It's about having this, like, curated collection
Exactly.
of certifications that show you're the top of your game.
Yeah.
So what kind of certifications are we talking about here?
Well, one that RoleCatcher really emphasizes is the Defensive Driving Instructor certification. So this goes beyond like basic traffic rules. And it delves into anticipating hazards, reacting safely to unpredictable situations, essentially teaching drivers to be proactive rather than reactive behind the wheel.
That makes a lot of sense. If I'm hiring someone to train my drivers,
Yeah.
especially if we're talking about folks who are on the road all day, every day, I want to know they're learning from someone who prioritizes safety at that level.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And having that certification on a resume, it speaks volumes.
For sure.
Another example that RoleCatcher highlights is the commercial driver's license, or CDL, even if you're primarily planning to instruct on passenger vehicles.
That one seems a little counterintuitive. Why would I need a CDL if I'm not planning to teach people how to drive a semi-truck?
It's all about demonstrating a broader understanding of vehicle dynamics and safety protocols.
Right. Yeah.
So having a CDL, it shows that you have a deeper understanding of things like weight distribution, air brakes, the complexities of handling these larger vehicles, and this can be a major asset. Even when you're training someone to drive a delivery van or a bus,
Yeah.
it tells potential employers that you're not just comfortable with the basics, you've got a handle on the bigger picture.
So even if I never plan to get behind the wheel of an 18-wheeler, that CDL gives me a competitive edge in the job market. I like it. It's like saying, yeah, I can teach you to parallel park, but I also understand the physics of how that 18-wheeler over there is stopping.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And RoleCatcher takes this idea of showcasing your expertise even further with their emphasis on building a professional portfolio.
Okay, now this is where things get really interesting. I've always associated portfolios with artists and designers. How do you build a portfolio as a driving instructor? Is it like a collection of perfect parking jobs,
Yeah.
documented with Polaroid photos or something?
That's a funny image.
I'm just trying to wrap my head around this.
But you're on the right track with documentation.
Okay.
So RoleCatcher suggests gathering testimonials from satisfied students.
Oh, like those glowing reviews you see on those tutoring websites, like, so-and-so helped me pass my driver's test on the first try.
Exactly. It's social proof.
Yeah.
And in this day and age, those authentic endorsements, they can really make a big difference.
They can?
But RoleCatcher takes it a step further.
Yeah.
They encourage instructors to think bigger. Consider like a blog
Okay.
or even a YouTube channel dedicated to like driving tips and advice.
Okay, I'm really seeing the value here.
Yeah.
It's one thing to say, I'm a good communicator, I'm a patient teacher. But if you can point to a video of yourself calmly talking a terrified driver through a three-point turn, that speaks volumes.
Exactly. It
Yeah.
allows you to demonstrate your teaching style,
Yeah.
your personality, your passion for driving instruction in a way that like a resume just can't capture.
It's like you're not just telling potential employers about your skills, you're giving them a front row seat
Yeah.
to your expertise in action.
Exactly.
That's really powerful stuff. And I'm guessing this ties into the importance of networking as well.
Absolutely. And RoleCatcher really walks the talk here.
Okay.
Their platform actually connects driving instructors with each other,
Oh, wow.
creating a space for mentorship, collaboration, sharing industry insights.
That's amazing.
Imagine the value of connecting with someone who's been teaching for like 20 years,
Yeah.
or someone who specializes in a specific type of driving instruction. That kind of network, it can be invaluable.
It's like they're building a community around this profession,
Yeah.
which makes a lot of sense. Even though driving itself can be a solitary activity, building a successful career as an instructor is all about connecting with others.
For sure.
But at the end of the day, you still have to nail that job interview. What does RoleCatcher have to offer on that front?
This is where RoleCatcher truly shines.
Right.
They have compiled a massive database of interview questions,
Okay.
over 120,000 to be exact,
Wow.
designed to help you prepare for any scenario a potential employer might throw at you.
120,000 questions. They must have every possible question covered, from what's your favorite road sign to
Yeah.
like, how would you handle a student who insists on driving barefoot?
You're not wrong. Those are important.
But it's not just about the quantity, it's about the quality
Yeah.
and the depth of these questions. For
Okay.
example, one that really stood out to me was,
Yeah.
what inspired you to become an occupational driving instructor?
That's a great one.
Yeah.
It's not a technical question. It's about getting to the heart of your why, your motivation. It really does make you think about like what makes you as an instructor.
It does.
Right. And that can really tell an employer a lot about you as a person.
Right.
But let's be honest. Job interviews also have those curveball questions sometimes.
Yeah.
What does RoleCatcher have that can help someone navigate those?
Well, RoleCatcher digs into those situational questions too.
Okay.
Like, a good example is, how do you handle a student who is struggling?
Okay.
That forces you to really think on your feet and demonstrate your ability to adapt to different learning styles and challenges. Yeah, that's where those soft skills that we talked about earlier really come into play. It's one thing to teach someone who's just a natural behind the wheel, but to be able to guide someone who's struggling,
Yeah.
that really defines a great instructor.
Exactly. And RoleCatcher doesn't just leave you hanging with these questions either. They provide guidance on how to structure your answers,
Okay.
highlighting what employers are really looking for.
Oh, that's useful.
Yeah. And then for those who want to take their prep to the next level,
Okay.
they even have like an AI-powered feedback feature.
Hold on. AI interview practice. How does that even work? Is there like a tiny robot interviewer I'm supposed to make eye contact with?
Not quite a robot, but close.
Okay.
You basically record yourself answering these practice questions, and the AI analyzes your delivery,
Wow.
your word choice, even like your tone of voice, and provides feedback to help you improve.
So it's like having a personal interview coach. Available 2/7. Except this coach runs on algorithms instead of caffeine.
Ah, I like it. It sounds like RoleCatcher has really thought of everything to give aspiring instructors an edge in this job market.
They really have.
Okay.
And, you know, for all the talk about certifications and portfolios and interview prep, there's one more ingredient that RoleCatcher really emphasizes that often gets overlooked. And that's the customer service aspect of this career.
Right. We touched on this earlier, but it's worth digging into a little bit deeper because it's really easy to get caught up in just the technical side of driving.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you're dealing with people, and people can be unpredictable.
Exactly.
Right.
You might be teaching a nervous teenager how to parallel park for the first time, or helping someone regain their confidence behind the wheel after an accident.
Yeah.
These situations require a special kind of patience, empathy, and communication skill.
It's like being a driving instructor and a therapist all rolled into one.
You need to not only teach the rules of the road, but also create a calm and supportive learning environment.
Absolutely.
Wow.
And that's something that RoleCatcher really emphasizes throughout all of their materials. They understand that being a successful occupational driving instructor, it requires more than just technical expertise.
Right.
It's about connecting with your students on a human level, understanding their anxieties, and celebrating their successes.
It sounds like RoleCatcher is really encouraging a holistic approach to this whole profession, which I think is fantastic. So as we wrap up our deep dive into the world of occupational driving instruction, what's like the key takeaway you hope our listeners walk away with today?
I want them to understand that this is a career with immense potential, but it requires a proactive mindset.
Okay.
RoleCatcher provides the tools and the roadmap, but it's up to each individual to take action, to seek out those certifications, to build those connections, and to really hone those soft skills that are going to set them apart.
It's about taking control of your career destiny, one carefully executed three-point turn at a time.
I love it.
Right.
Yeah.
And on that note, I think a great way to solidify everything we've talked about today is to leave our listeners with a little challenge.
Okay.
Imagine you're building that professional portfolio we talked about.
Yeah.
What would be your most compelling example? Showcasing your skills as an instructor and why?
That's a fantastic question.
Right?
That really makes you think about what makes you unique as an instructor.
Absolutely.
Is it your ability to explain like complex concepts in a way that just clicks? Or maybe it's a time when you helped a student overcome a major driving fear, whatever it is. We encourage you to really reflect on those aha moments that really demonstrate your passion and your expertise.
Absolutely.
Those are the stories that will make you stand out from the crowd and pave the way for a really rewarding career in occupational driving instruction.
And there you have it, folks. Your deep dive challenge for the day. We hope this episode has given you a much clearer picture of what it takes to succeed in this exciting field. A huge thank you to RoleCatcher for providing such insightful resources.
It's been a pleasure diving into this with you.
And from all of us here at The Deep Dive, happy learning.